In this video, we're going to review how to use the bulk change function in order to update the parent field of a few tasks at a time or multiple tasks at a time. All right, in this example, you'll see that on my Kanban board under the No Epic dropdown, I have a few tasks that have been created. These tasks are design sheet metal, design new PCB, and create bill of materials. The problem is I forgot to add the parent on Epic that these should roll up to, and I don't want to click in one by one by one and update the parent. I just want to update the parent field for all three of these tasks at once. The way that you can accomplish this is through the bulk change function within Jira and leveraging JQL. So I'm going to walk you through how to go through and do that. The first thing here is you should notice that these three tasks, we have NPD-31, NPD-32, and NPD-33 as the keys for the tasks that I want to target specifically. You'll also notice that they currently do not have a parent epic, and they are not marked as done. They're in the to-do status. So all of these are important for us to be able to narrow down what tasks we actually want to update. So in order to use the bulk change function, we are going to go to the All Work tab. And in this example, we are going to edit the JQL. On your screen, your screen may look different than what you see here. First, you need to make sure you're toggled on JQL and not basic because you want to control what you're searching for very thoroughly. And next, I like to make sure I'm in the list view and not the detail view. So if you are in the detail view, go ahead and toggle over to list view on the right-hand side here. And then again, make sure you're filtered on JQL. So we are going to leave everything from project equals NPD, and then we're going to delete everything after that in the JQL series. So you want to still be within the project. You want to update these tasks in, and that in this project is NPD. And then I want to target specifically the NPD-33, NPD-32, and NPD-31. So I'm going to say project equals NPD and key equals NPD-31, which is the first task. Then we say or NPD or key equals NPD-32 or key equals NPD-33. The reason that we are using the OR function here is basically what we're filtering for is anything that's in this project and it has either the key NPD-1, which is this task here, or the key NPD-2, or the key NPD-3. And so if you want to select multiple issues at once within a JQL, just make sure you're using the OR function. So next we're going to hit enter on our search query, and now you can see that it's narrowed it down to just the tasks that I want to edit. Everything else that was filtering here before has been eliminated, which is exactly what we want. And you can see that the parent is empty too. So next what we want to do is we want to access the bulk change function within Jira. The way that you do this is by clicking on this ellipses icon in the right-hand corner that says More Actions when you hover over it. Go ahead and click on that and then go to Bulk Change Work Items. Please keep in mind you do need to have the permission to make bulk changes assigned to you by your Jira admins. So if you do not see this, that means you don't have that permission, in which case contact your Jira admin and they should be able to help you. So what you'll do is once you've clicked into More Actions, you'll go to Bulk Change Work Items. And you will select all of the issues that you want to update here. So I'm going to select all. You can filter everything, but I like filtering on the JQL first just to narrow everything down and make these as simple as possible. Then you're going to select Next. And you are going to select Edit Issues. This is because we want to edit the parent field value of these issues. There are some other options here like move issues and transition issues, but in this circumstance and in this tutorial, we're going to edit a field within these tasks all at once. So we're going to select edit issues as our operation. Then we're going to select next. And from here, this provides you a high-level list of all of the different fields that you could possibly change on these tasks within Jira. And so we're going to scroll down until we find the field that we want to change, which is we want to change the parent field. So we are going to click on this checkbox to change parent, and then we're going to select what parent we want it to roll up to. And I want this to roll up to prototype C. So that's NPD-30. This is the epic and the parent that they should have gone under when I created them, but simply forgot. So now I'm going to go back and make a bulk change to make sure that all of those tasks roll up to this prototype C epic. Once I've edited all of the fields that I want to do, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom where you can select next. Here you can send emails for this update. I don't like to spam everyone with these changes, so I'm going to leave that blank. And here you can see it says email notifications will not be sent for this update. That's exactly what I wanted. And the updated fields will be the parent fields, and it will change to NPD-30, which was that prototype C. And then here, these are the 3 issues that will be affected by this change. And I do want to confirm that that is in fact the case. Now the bulk operation will process. And now that it's complete, we can select done. And you will now see in our JQL that these tasks all roll up to the NPD-30 or the prototype C parent and epic, which is exactly what we wanted. If we go back to our Kanban board, we'll see that our Kanban board has also changed. So now we can now see the prototype C epic, and it does have those 3 tasks that were previously under no epic. In the beginning of this video, we can now see that they are all under the correct epic. All right, this is how you use the bulk changes function within Jira to update a field within multiple tasks at once.